Crude oil yesterday has achieved lower lows, moved towards 78.2 and has shown a very good recovery as well and now trading above 79. While net gas is the one which is consistently stayed with the expectation. It is traded bullish and it has achieved 2.13. Now what to expect today from oil and gas, how we can profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session, and this is the only channel in the world to give you two updates, two targets with precision and accuracy so that you can all profit. Thus, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. It is always a great motivation. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First oil followed with gas. Watch till the end. Crude oil on the early charts, if you look at it, is trying to trade bearish here. Lower highs, lower lows are getting achieved here. And if you see oil staying above 79.6 levels, we can initiate a buying entry here. And see, none of the candles so far is closed above 79.5, 79.6. And see, we have to wait for it to break above 79.6, 79.8 zone in order to confirm the reversal and the rise, and specifically above 81 is where the reversal stays. Right now I can see lower highs, lower lows getting created here, and thus we have to be careful in between this zone. Let's have a further detail look. See, first of all, if you look at the median here, this is the median at which it is positioned as of now, 78.2, 79.7, and the median at 79. So it has to, as farther it goes from this median, the more bullish it will be considered as, and hence we have to wait for it to now wait or break beyond 79.6, 79.8. Stochastic has dropped sharply, MACD is divergent and bullish, and RSI is staying flat here. Coming to on the 2 hour charts as well, I can see it consolidating its position here. 20 period moving average sitting at around 79.4, 79.5 levels, and thus also making this a very strong resistance zone on the up. Those who want to take a little riskier position can buy at 79.2 itself. When you see the lower prices above 79.2, we can initiate a buying entry, but then 79.6, 79.8 is the zone it needs to break, else it is still not to be treated bullish. Remember this fact. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD has crossed over here at the bottom, trying to trade with divergence and bullishness. Now, this could lead to a V-shaped recovery here, but right now the signs are not much encouraging from other time frames. RSI coming out of the oversold zone, coming to 3 hour. Likewise, on the 3 hour charts, lower highs, lower lows are observed. And that is why I say it has to break beyond 79.2. You can buy there, but then you have to be cautious. 79.6, 79.8 zone, and beyond which it should be treated bullish. Stochastic rising, MACD crossing over here at the bottom. This is another one encouraging sign for crude oil, which may take it further upside. Thus, as long as it stays above 78.8 today, we should not be treating this as bearish as well. So that is something we should watch out for. Stock RSI coming out of the oversold levels. Coming to 4 hour chart, similar observation. Preceding candle a swing candle, and the preceding candle to that has come with a tail here. So yes, it appears that we may look forward to a rise. There are good resistances on the upside. It has to break past these in order to confirm a reversal, else it is still not to be treated for a reversal here. Stochastic is rising here. The MACD is bearish. It may cross over. It is right now not crossed over. RSI coming out of the oversold here. That is also good sign here. Coming to the daily, and before we look into daily charts and conclude the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 31st mentorship batch starting coming Monday. Do register for it now. And in this batch, we are going to share all the tools, techniques, strategies, and the trade setups which we have developed with our years of experience, specifically curated for you all, so that you can identify the profitable trades and trends with ease, and you can trade comfortably. Do register for it now. Do not miss this opportunity. Join this learning journey and cherish the learning for life, because this is the only investment which can reap you profits throughout your life. Else you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals you can benefit. So write an email or ping me on Telegram for any of your queries related to the services. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now coming to the daily chart, see, it is indeed trading bearish here. Increasing body size is what we have observed. And after 5 to 6 candles yesterday, this could be a possible reversal sign. But for this to be a reversal sign, we have to see the price is trading above 80 and 81 levels. And that could be the beginning of a retracement, not a reversal, I will say, because the reversal on the daily charts is only above 84, 85. And thus, right now also, if you see, it was outside Bollinger Bands, it has got its pull here. Now, if you see it is staying above 79.2, you can initiate a buying entry here. but we have to be very very cautious for 79.6, 79.8. Then if it stays above this, then I will look forward to 80.2, 80.6, and then 81 levels here. Beyond 81 is where reversal will start, and for the next week it may try to bounce back. Stochastic oversold, MACD extremely bearish here, it has hit the bottom here. RSI is hit the bottom as well. And a selling entry today I will recommend is below 78.8, but you have to be trailing with 20 cents trailing. 78.6, 78.4, 78.2, and 78. Four levels you should watch out for. Below 78 is where the bears are waiting for crude oil, and then it could fall more, chances for which appears to be less. So take your position accordingly. On the downside specifically, as long as 78 is there today, you have to put a 20 cents trailing stop loss. Remember this, else it could again bounce back. So trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at natural. See, natural gas stick to its movement which we have been expecting, which is a bullish trend. It has continued to trade bullish, and definitely the $2 levels have proven out to be a good support level. Now 2.1213, and then we know that it has to break beyond 2.15 in order to confirm a reversal. Right now what is happening here, you can see, or see, good thing with nat gas here is it always tries to test the support or 20 period moving average. See this happening here. Now again it is happening here at the same time, but there are a couple of observations here that it is trying to consolidate. Lower highs are seen and higher lows are seen here. So for the day, 2.0604 is the zone. If it breaks below, then you should treat this as bearish, else it is not. Stochastic oversold. MACD, look at MACD, this has crossed over, and this is a bit sign of bearishness here, you can say. Thus you have to be watchful here. RSI has dropped sharply, coming to 2. On the 2-hour charts here as well, you can see signs of bearishness trying to retest. Possibility of net gas to move towards 2.08, 06, 04 zone. 04 I do not see it breaking, but the chances of it moving towards 08 and 06 is strong here. And a bounce back from those levels is what also I can look forward to. The stochastic has dropped sharply. MACD is in green trying to converge. RSI has dropped sharply here. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3-hour charts, yes, a reversal sign since then trying to trade bearish. Possibility for it to move towards 2.08, 06, 04 zone is there. But a bounce back from those levels is also you can look forward to. See what is happening here. You can definitely see higher lows getting observed. But right now also I can see lower highs here. So it is very very important on the upside for net gas to break beyond now 2.12. That is that when you see the lower prices about 2.12, you can initiate a buying entry. You can look forward to 2.1516 as the first target, and then I will be looking forward to 2.2 levels as the next target. Stochastic dropping sharply here. MACD is in green, and see what a good formation it is making here. It has to stay bullish and continue on the upside here. That is what is the expectation. Right now it is showing a bit of convergence, which means a couple of red candles. RSI dropping sharp here. Coming to 4 hour. On the 4-hour charts, likewise, you can see lower highs getting created. And yes, after the low achieving lower highs, it is on this journey towards downside. As we have seen, it always trying to show the swings here. It is trying to look or potentially can achieve higher lows as well. We have to be careful here. Stochastic dropping from the overbought zone. MACD is in green. RSI has dropped here. Coming to daily charts. Now if you look at daily charts, see this is what I've been talking about. This is what we have displayed every time. Let me show you something on the near term time frame. You will find the rise started from 1.6, and then it has retraced double bottom, and here I have mentioned it will again rise. It has taken its journey on the upside. See on the upside you can see moving averages are trading with divergence. It is staying bullish, looking upwards. What has happened yesterday, it has continued. See here also I have mentioned that it is starting flat, it can continue to rise. Now we have to wait for it to break beyond 2.12 and then 2.16 levels. That will confirm the breakout. See once it starts to break out, it is going to be a stronger one. Mark my words, it is going to give you a stronger move here. I will just wait for a breakout. What we are going to look at 2.4, 2.5 levels very very soon, and this could be the beginning today, and possibly in the coming week it can give a gap up, and from there the rise may start. So yes, I still be looking forward to an up move here. Stochastic is comfortable trying to look upwards. MACD is bullish and RSI is flat. So for the day on the downside below 2.08 you can take a. So here on the charts, I do see that on the downside the support levels are going to play out well, and thus if you're selling at 2.08, you have to keep trailing as long as $2 levels are not taken. You have to put a 20 points trailing. So 2.06, 2.04, 2.022, these levels it should not break. If it breaks below 2 is where you can say that it is turning bearish, and then you can look forward to 1.94. Chances for this happening appears to be less, but these are markets and this is natural gas. Anything and everything is possible. In my expectation, I'll be looking forward to a breakout. If not today, then possibly next week. This is going to be a stronger breakout. I am again drawing it here for you all. I do see this happening here. So if you see it staying about 2.1516 in this week or next week, just stay bullish. We are looking forward to a great rise here. So for the day, you can buy here at 2.12, expect 2.1516 and then 2.2, and then you can still also hold the position for the coming week where we are going to look forward to rally. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates.